Everyone, can you people hear me? Am I audible, guys? If you can hear me, say hi in the chat. I'll just share my screen right now. Am I audible? Hi, Chandraveer. Hi, how are you doing, my friend? I hope my screen sharing is on. I just want you people to show my profile. Okay, how many more people are there? Wow. Hi, Praniti. Hi, Rajneesh. Hi, Mannat. Hi, everyone. How are you people doing? I hope everyone is doing amazing. So, hi Satya, hi Pratik, hi Vishnu. There are so many people who have tuned in. Happy New Year, my friend Manoj. Happy New Year. Okay, friends, thanks a lot for tuning into the session. Right now, we will be starting the session on a note of sharing a lot of knowledge with you people, and that's related to graphics. Okay, some kind of a graphics that every one of you can do, some kind of a graphics can every one of you can take up. It's not at all difficult, which is very easy. And right after that, we will see some hands-on practice on those graphics with the help of a tool. The name of that tool is Canva. And right after that, we'll get into something that talks about how you can scale your skills in terms of digital marketing further. So please allow me a minute over here. And what I will do is I'll quickly just start the meeting and I will introduce myself. Yes. In the meantime, if you people would love to let me know that where are you people from? Like right now, I am sitting in Bangalore. I stay in Bangalore. So right now I'm calling or I'm attending the meeting or I'm taking the meeting from Bangalore. Okay, Naval is from Pune. What about other people? Mumbai. Okay, from Chennai, Bangalore. Satya is there. Okay. Okay, we have people joining from Bengal, Bangalore, London. Okay, Shalini is there. I have done one session with Shalini. Hi, Shalini. Delhi, Coimbatore. Wow, beautiful. Porbandar, beautiful. Shushant is from Delhi. Thane, Sahil is from Thane. Richa is from Bangalore. Gangadev is from Delhi. Beautiful. Thanks a lot, everyone, for tuning in. Mannat is from Punjab. Thanks a lot, everyone, for tuning in. Guwahati, we have people from Guwahati also. So it seems pretty much all over the India we have people from. I know few people's name because they sometimes join our session. Uh, Rajan says can't see or hear anything. I'm sorry for that. Maybe you have a network disturbance because most of the people in the chat they can see and they can hear. Thanks a lot, everyone, for tuning in. I see everyone, like people are from throughout the country right now. That's amazing. Even we have one or two people who are NRIs out there. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. So, few people would already be knowing me, and I'm aware of it because you people have done some of my sessions today for the condition of here some work is going on at this place and there is some outage of electricity, so I cannot just turn on my video, but I am very much sure that you are going to have a lot of takeaways out of this session, and I know few of you people are very much aware of who I am. Anyways, for those people who are not aware, my name is Soumendra. So I have been into this field of digital marketing, content writing, content development, and moving on with the tech side, SEO, website designing, ads, campaigns, and all of that since a while right now. It's been already since 2015 somewhere. I'm working into this when I was a student. Okay. I hold an MBA. Yes, it's written over here. And moving on, I help companies as a trainer, as a consultant, and as a freelancer. So, going on, if you see, you will get to know a lot about me if you would be interested to read my about. And yeah, I know there are few people who are interested to do that, and I get a lot of connections right after every session, which is amazing. I get to connect with new people. So I work with different clients. Kallada Academy and we are associated. It's going to be like 2 years now. It's an amazing journey with Kallada Academy, and there are amazing people like you who come in and they want to learn a lot about these things that we work in the industry. So I belong to the industry. I'm not an academician who is just coming in and giving lectures. I am here. I'm working throughout with different clients. Right now, I'm serving to two e-commerce, and another one is a client that is into happiness coaching and mental health. You can see quite a few samples over here of what I do. It will let you know more about me. Yeah, in terms of education, I hold an MBA in marketing. So that's a little about me. If you people tune into Kallada Academy sessions, you people will obviously get to know more about me. That's something you people will get to see. Yes, Satya, here is my link of this thing, that is LinkedIn. In case you people are willing to follow or connect with me, I am always approachable. Well, now today, the first thing that we have to talk about, that is graphics, right? Now, you people have witnessed that it's been a very long while that graphics has been dominating industries, right? For an example, right at this moment, if you go YouTube, okay, let's go to YouTube. Now, once I go to YouTube, there is something called thumbnails, right? How many of you have heard of this thing called thumbnails? Hi, Charan. Hi. How many of you have heard of thumbnails? किस किसने सुना है thumbnails? Wait for my screen to get loaded. How many of you? Yeah, see, Ranjani have heard. Rahul. Hi, Rahul. Hi. Reena have heard. Quite a lot of people. It seems that yeah, Manoj have heard. Great. Great. Thank you, Pranati. Have a look at it. So if you scroll down through YouTube, no. So now all of these things. This is a music, okay, of a celebrity. This is a show, okay. This is again a video of a person who is a vlogger. It's a Kannada. It's a Bangalorean channel or Kannadiga channel, okay. This is also a football match, but all of these videos no has got something in common. That is a thumbnail, right? A thumbnail is something that is descriptive about the video. For an example, if you see, this is a song, right? And the name of the song is written over here and written full song, and there is the picture of two people who are the featuring in this music. Now let's come to this video. That is a video of a person who is talking about some giveaways of BTG3 and quite a few other stuffs that are related to earbuds and all. But see, here is a thumbnail. Same with this one, most viewed. Same with this one, the name of the music, 195 million views. Now, these are all thumbnails. If I just keep scrolling down, no, continuously, if I keep scrolling down, I'll keep receiving the load of thumbnails on the screen. And starting from the biggest of the movies, see, it's a movie that has got a thumbnail or a poster, you can call it. This is a video, it has got a thumbnail. This is an interview, it has got a thumbnail. And everywhere, thumbnails are important. This is something is a video vlog, right? VLOG, that is video blog. Now, go to any blog. I run a blog called Inside Casa. If you even go to my blog for per se, now just any blog, this is my blog, or even if you don't want to experience only my blog, you also want to experience some other blogs, then you can check any blog, most of them. If not any, then most of them. Now see, this is my blog, and if you see this blog, you will get to witness that here also I'm making use of posters and thumbnails. Can you sense this? See, I'm writing about something. For an example, I'm writing about something technical, that is LinkedIn service marketplace better than Upwork? Now, here I'm using a thumbnail. This is attractive. This talks about a little bit of the content, what it is, and it talks about Inside Casa blogs. And I'm also giving an email over here for people to connect with me and the logo of the blog identity. Similarly, I can just go on, so on and so forth. How to install SSL certificate in Namecheap cPanel? Can you see I have also given a very specific thumbnail over here, right? And moving on with all of these different blogs I have thumbnails for them or posters for them. If I go to any other blog, now that was a technical blog for my end. That was a digital marketing and technology blog, freelancing blog. Even if you see blogs that are into entertainment, right? This blog is into entertainment, live entertainment, and different web series and all. See, here and all also thumbnails are there. Okay, these thumbnails are not so great like I was showing you different other thumbnails in YouTube and my blog, but still thumbnails are there, right? So thumbnails become very important, okay, when it comes to vlogging, when it comes to blogging. Okay, and also thumbnails become very important when it comes to social media. Now, for an example, I just went to Instagram, okay, or I just went to Facebook, or I just went to any other social media site. Now, here, if you check, all of these sites will have different posts, right? But some posts will have some beautiful posters or some beautiful social media posts. For an example, if I just come to this one and I click on show mode, just wait for a sec to get it loaded. It seems to be, this one seems to be having some problem. Let's scroll down. Yeah, have a look at it. Now this talks about some a birthday of a popular writer, but see they have given a poster kind of a thing here. If you scroll down further, see how beautifully this is created. Something that is there in my blogs also. Okay, see how beautifully this is created. This is created beautifully. This one also is a small video that has been created with the help of several tools. See, this is something called infographic that has also been created by the help of a tool that I'm going to show you right now. Now, all of these things now becomes very important when it comes to digital marketing, right? You have to use all of these tools or elements when you want to attract the attention of the audience. And this is really very important. But the point that comes here is how to learn this skill. Is it something that everyone cannot learn? No, not at all. If you have a basic design sense or sense of design, you can learn. Is it something that is very difficult to learn? No, not at all. If you can do some clicks and drag and drop, you can learn that. So to learn all of these things, there is something called Canva. Okay. To create all of these things, there is something called Canva. Can you give me a shout out? How many people have heard of Canva? किस किसने सुना है Canva के बारे में? Are we going to get started? We are already started, my friend Rajan. Yeah, so everyone was saying yes then. Can anyone tell me how many of you have heard of Canva? किस किसने Canva के बारे में सुना है? Anyone that who has heard of Canva? Canva is very popular, guys. You people have not heard of it. Anyone who has heard of Canva? It would be very surprising if no one have heard of Canva. How many of you heard of PictoCart? PictoChart. PictoChart. Me. Okay, many people. There are few people who have heard. PictoChart, has anyone heard? PictoChart, Canva, these are similar tools. Now, when you come to Canva, guys, there is something as in login. Okay. You people have to log in through this tool. Okay. For an example, you people have to log in through Canva, and here is an option of login. Let's say you don't have an account with Canva. Now, what you do? You can create an account just by clicking on sign up. Once you click sign up, there's an easy way to continue with Google. Continue with Google in the sense you have a Gmail account. How many of you have how many of you have a Gmail account? Can I say a yes? I hope all of you people have a Gmail account, right? This would be very surprising if you don't have a Gmail, because I think all of you people have seen this thing that is your email and then come up over here. Can you people hear me? My screen seems to be freezed. 1 second. Is it audible now? Hi everyone. Is my voice audible now? No, it's audible. Okay, okay. Sorry for this turbulence. I actually had a very bad kind of an experience with this thing that is Demio, but I don't know why it happened. It doesn't happen usually, but sometimes it creates some issue. I'll reshare my screen so you people can just check my screen. My screen will be visible. Just a second. Yeah, just let me know if my screen is visible. Yeah, just a second, guys. I'm still trying to share my screen. It seems not working for real. now? I think now it would be audible and good. Is it audible now? Okay, okay. Thanks a lot for staying. Thank you, everyone. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, now I'll share the screen. Yeah, more people are tuning in. Great. Okay, so sorry for that glitch because it was glitching like anything. It wasn't working. Demio wasn't working. It was an issue from Demio's end. Okay, so and sorry for that. So here, what I was talking is there's a tool called Canva that helps us to connect with all of these posters, brochures. Then let's talk about things like infographics and all. But the question that comes in is, how do we do it? Even if Canva enables us to do all of these, it doesn't stand so easy. Okay, creation is easy, obviously, but there is the same thing. Like the sense of design has to be there. Otherwise, things goes for a toss. Okay. Now we will just log into this tool, and the name of this tool is Canva. You can easily log in. I saw few people telling I have a Gmail. Obviously, you people have seen our emails, I know. And sorry for that glitch of network. I don't know. Suddenly, Demio created a enough issue actually. It was a heck of an issue. Now we will just quickly log into this thing. Okay, that is our Canva. You people can freely log in, by the way. You don't have to pay anything to log into this tool. But yeah, they do have a premium. So given that you are willing to use the premium, you can give the premium. Given that you are not willing to use the premium, you don't have to pay the premium. If you are willing to use the premium, then only you pay the premium. Otherwise, it's all good. Right? Now, once you log into this tool, you will get to see this tool lets you help to create these designs, and the same tutorial I'm going to show you. Once you log into this tool, this is what you get to see. Now still it's loading, and it's quite a heavy loaded tool, guys. So make sure you are working with a broadband. If you are not working with a broadband, things may go haywire. Okay, you may not be able to connect. That's the only drawback that you would have, right? So if you just scroll down, if I just scroll down, can you see all of my Pinterest designs, all of my, most of my PPTs, not PPT definitely, most of my other designs of presentations, okay, and scrolling down even till my resume, okay, scrolling down different company contents, okay, different company contents, logo, then infographics, then brochures, and different posters I keep creating on Canva. I am a big time Canva user because I love to use Canva. Anyone out there who has already used Canva can give a shout out. Premium means we'll have, yes, correct. Premium means you will have more features. That's a spot on thing. Okay, just one person right now have used Canva. Anyone else who have used Canva? Anyone else? Okay, very few people. Vivek is there, Shalini is there. Very few people have used Canva. So if you have used Canva, the experience is very smooth, right? How do you do that? Let's say I will create 3 things with the help of Canva in this session today and see how quick I will do. Not like I will be rushing on this. I'll be showing you how quick you can do it. That's my intention is. Let's say you are willing to create a Facebook post. Just write Facebook post. By the way, there is a too much in-depth work also in Canva. I'm trying to show you the easiest ones. So just type Facebook post. Let's say your post is about, for an example, let's say Labor Day, okay, or let's try out Christmas, or let's some other examples. Let's write Facebook post. Now see how many options you will be receiving in front of the screen, and all of these options are templates. Obvious reasons, few are free templates, few are paid templates. There is no second thought about it. Let's take out any attractive template from Canva. Let's say Children's Day, okay, but Children's Day one is showing paid, but anyway we can customize that, that's not a problem. Let's say some other templates. Let's try out something for free right now because you people are not buying it for now. Yeah, let's say this one. Now click on this template. Now let's say, for an example, we are going to create a post related to Christmas, right? How do we create it? So once it gets loaded, Okay, just see, this is the panel of work. Just give it a few seconds and yeah, it is loaded now. There are elements like different elements of different symbols. Then you can upload even different pictures and videos, text files, audio files. Good time to tune in because maybe hi everyone, can you people hear me? I think there is a Am I audible, guys? No, no, it's actually a technical glitch from Demio's end, because here what's happening is continuous connecting and other things are working like Zooms and all, but this seems to be some issue. Not sure. Sometimes Demio creates these issues. So, guys, what I will tell you is we shall continue this for the next session. Okay, so I saw a few people typing in that I'm sorry, I cannot understand the topic. The topic is creating content that is an image content, that is a infographic content, that content that is related to things like Facebook post, Instagram post, then YouTube thumbnails. Okay, you people, as you have received the email from our end about this session on your email IDs, and that was, I think, also mentioned that it is on Canva. So I hope, I maybe you people missed it. That's completely fine. Now, what is that we are going to do is we will postpone this to next week Friday, because I see it's very troublesome with this thing right now. It's not really doing amazingly, this tool right now, because I am not being able to be handy. It doesn't happen usually, because I know there are few people who have done this session before also, and they have even continued that for more than 2 hours. But the point here is, I don't know why this is creating a glitch. Yeah, that's the thing. So thank you, Amit. Thank you, Madhusudan. Yeah, people are saying, yeah, thank you, no problem. So yeah, so this is the thing. So let's continue this for next week, because otherwise it's being very troublesome. Or let me try and check once more. If you people can stay connected, then I'll try and share this thing once more. No, no, I don't want you people to log out. Just be with me for a minute, if you people would love to, because I'll try to sort it out in other way around. I'm telling you people, yeah, no, no, Vivek, I'm telling you people to hold for a sec. Telling you people to hold for a sec. Let me trying to share my screen now. Allow me a minute, guys. I'll just get back. Just stay connected. create a problem, because now I could somehow just reload Demio in a way that I hope it won't create a problem. Am I audible, guys? Please give me a heads up. Okay, okay. A lot of people are saying yes. Let me share my screen now. Yeah, thank you, Divakar. Thank you, Vivek. Thank you, everyone, for staying connected. Thank you, Madhusudhan. Okay, have a look at it. Oh, thank you, everyone, for staying connected. Really appreciate. Okay, so here what we have is, you can see this is a tool. So now, before I go ahead, now I'd just like to ask a question. Can anyone tell me who do not know what is the topic? किसको टॉपिक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है वो मुझे बताओ. Can you chat? N, if you don't know what is the topic. N is for no. And anyone is there who is not aware of the topic about Canva? Yeah, it's about Canva. It's actually about graphics, not solely about Canva. It's actually about graphics. Anyone who is not aware of the topic. Madhusudhan is correct, by the way. But anyone who is not aware of the topic, I just want to tell the person that what is the topic. That is what we want to do, because I don't want you people to be confused. And really sorry for the network glitch. I really sorry. It never happens this way. It happens like for 2 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, but it was a next level thing. That happened was a next level thing. It never happens this way. Yeah, anyone who is not aware of what is the topic? Everyone is aware. Given in the mail. Given in the mail, Madhusudhan, you are correct. But anyone who is not aware of the topic, everyone is aware. Great. Yeah, Madhusudhan is correct and people are correct. Vivek and all people are correct. So topic is about Canva, and this topic is related to or driven by graphics. Now, if you see here, what I was telling is I will just get into this and I will create something, okay, as a Facebook post, right? I will create something as a Facebook post. I saw few people have used Canva. Now, if you want to create a Facebook post, what you get to do? Let's say this post of Facebook is going to be related to Christmas, right? Going to be related to Christmas. I'll just zoom in. First, I will write Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas Day. Okay, and I'll zoom it. How do I zoom it? I can increase the font size over here, or I can just stretch it. I can just select this, the size of the content, and I can drag it. Once I can drag it, I will just fit it to the screen or fit it to this circle, not the screen, but the circle. And I will make it at the right alignment, at the middle alignment. And can you see it is changed? Now, I won't write congratulations. I would write something else like, hello, wish you a very Merry Christmas. Now, just click outside of that circle element and see it's coming up very nicely. Hello, wish you a very Merry Christmas. In case you want to set it the other way around, see, you can set it like this. Looking cool. For an example, let's say you want to give some content here that hi to all our social media followers. Team, how many of you know the company named Microsoft? I think सबको पता होगा. How many of you know Microsoft? Can I see a heads up? Shall we share? Yes, yes, we can change color, my friend. How to edit, download. I will show you. I will show you. Yes. How many of you know Microsoft? Anyone who is aware of? Himani is aware. Great, great. Most of the people. Karan is aware. Great. And thanks a lot, Himani. Thanks a lot, Karan. Thank you, Kasturi, for staying tuned. 90% knows. Correct, correct. सबको होता है. Thank you, Naveen, staying tuned. Thank you, Niranjan, for staying tuned. And sorry for the network issue. Thank you, Aditya, for staying tuned. Thank you, Aditya. Yeah, I got to understand, you know. So now let's say we'll tell team Microsoft, okay, hi everyone, hello, our social media followers, team Microsoft wishes you a very Christmas 2022. Let's keep it 2022 because 2021 is no more there. So now what we will do is we'll delete this unnecessary elements, we'll ungroup this element, and we'll delete these ones because these are not important elements right now. This content we are not using, so we'll delete this. We'll keep these elements, and here also we'll make sure that it looks good. There's a star. We will make use of that star by again increasing the size of the star. I'm just using a template again. I'm not doing anything rocket science. And we will increase the size of the content that people can read. Always make sure that whatever the content you are typing, people should be able to read. If they are not being able to read, it's very difficult. Now in here, we will change the color. Let's say we'll give it to white for an example. And here, this color, we will give it to something else. Let's say red. And this text, we will give it to white. Things has to be highlighted properly, right? Now see, it's looking good. Now here, we can again zoom it a little bit. And here we can give the logo of Microsoft for an example. Okay, if you give the logo, that also works well, because you might have seen so far that many a times companies uses their logo, right? Or you can even change this design to a different level. So just drag it to this way, that is Merry Christmas, and here you can keep the content, that is the primary content, or at the top you can keep the primary content, right? In these places, if you want, you can do the design. Even if you don't want, if you want to set it over here, that is something you can also do. Okay, so this is how you can create. One second, I'll just make, yeah, from here on I'll make a little more change over here. I'll increase it, and I'll introduce this one at the top also, so it would look good. It would be a filler out here, right? Now see, this poster you can download and you can use. And wait guys, before I download and use this poster, I want to tell you a little more. I told you, right, we'll create 3 posters today, or 3 samples today for social media. Now this is one sample. I want you people's feedback how it's looking like, but hold on, I will ask that feedback later on. I want to show you more, again, easy steps. So let's say I will create another poster for social media that is for, let's say, Instagram or something, or that is for, let's say, your blog thumbnails, right? I was just showing you people blog thumbnails, right? This is one of my blogs. I was showing you people blog thumbnails. Now, for an example, you want to check through blog thumbnails. That's what I was willing to show you. In that case also, you can see, you can create different posters or different thumbnails with the help of this tool. Here are different thumbnails. Now let's try to create something like this. Okay, even more sharp. Okay, जो और भी मतलब sharp हो, जिसपे content ज़्यादा हो, somewhere the content is more. Okay, we'll try to create something like that. ऐसा कुछ create करने की कोशिश करेंगे. यहाँ पे we will keep this canvas empty, then we'll click on templates. Now see, there are more templates, right, which are having more content, right? Click on this arrow and see, you experience more templates. So let's say you are writing a blog related to digital marketing tools. Now let's say this template is going to be suitable. Just click on this template, and can you see there are different elements over here? First, delete this logo. Let's say we are doing it for Kallada Academy. Just for an example, I'm taking, let's say, we'll drop the Kallada Academy logo over here. Now, you have to come to upload. Okay, let's say you don't have the Kallada Academy logo over here already. Obviously, बहुत लोगों के पास नहीं होगा. So you have to upload the logo. So what you can do, you can write Kallada Academy in Google, or you can just take your logo from your drive, anything anything that's specific for you. Nothing like it has to be done this way. You can just take whatever suits you. Now see, there are different logo of Kallada Academy. Let's take this one, this logo of Kallada Academy. That is our logo. And we will just copy and save this logo. We'll save this logo in our documents for an example. And here we go. Now we'll get into something called remove.bg. Anyone who is aware of remove.bg? किसी ने remove.bg पे काम किया है? Anyone who knows remove.bg? What about copyright of those? No copyright. Thanks a lot for this question. Puneet has a good question. Here is Puneet's text. Puneet, you are correct. Now, there is no copyright actually, you know. Now, Puneet will ask why there is no copyright, and that's a good point. The point here is these are free templates, Puneet. So you have no copyright. Someone has some more question. Even more than that, seems easy to edit. Correct. I'm sorry. Correct. Shall we make running words? I think no animation. Yeah, there is no animation, but you can keep animation words. Yeah, Bharat sir, correct. So he is telling, yeah, we are aware of something called Microsoft remove.bg. I will write it. I am aware of remove.bg. Remove.bg. Thank you, Yuvraj. Correct. Remove.bg, if you are not aware, remove.bg is something That is a tool that helps you to remove your background. That is remove.bg. How do you do it? Now the Kallada Academy logo you downloaded, no? Just upload that logo over here. Click on upload, go to documents and click the Kallada Academy logo. See, it would be straight showing up that the background is removed. Now download this logo. This is one of the best tools that comes in place when it comes to graphics. Free tool hai, best tool hai, easy tool hai. Free tool, best tool, easy tool. Really fantastic tool. Now click on upload media over here because you need the Kallada Academy logo. Again, that's what is our intention. Now click on this one and see the logo will be updated. Just hold for a second and see the logo is getting uploaded. So you have to make use of that logo, and what you have to do, you have to make this design according to the standard of your brand. Click on this logo first. Okay. Now keep this logo over here. Oh, one second. I think I just took that, not the transparent logo. Just allow me a minute. Let's click on upload media again. Go to downloads because I downloaded that. Yeah, this is the right logo. Let's upload that remove.bg, that is background removed logo, looking beautiful. Click on this and see it appears straight. Now place this somewhere that looks qualitative and understandable. By any chance you see that the logo is not appealing enough, you can work on the transparency of the picture or the image, or you can even change or edit the image. I'll just quickly edit the image and try to make sure that the design is prominent. Now I'll scroll down and see there are different modes. So let's keep it to festive mode. Let's try to the summer mode. Yeah, here it seems quite prominent. Now I'll just keep the Kallada Academy logo over here because, or let's try to keep it at the top, given the position of this board is there, which is troublesome. Yes. So here is the Kallada Academy logo placed well. And here we will do some changes. I just told you that we are coming up with a content about digital marketing tools. So I'll give it a thumbnail. We will write, know what are tools of 2022 in the area of SEO and Google Ads. Just let's say we are talking about SEO and Google Ads. And this portion of content, we'll just drag it a little. And here we can write the brand name. You people can zoom this content also, just to understand that you are editing it the right way. Let's say you want to write your name because you have written this content. Again, just taking random examples. So how do you do it? Just a second. Now, how do you do it is you can click on this content, and first of all, oh, it seems a lot of things are grouped. One second. So grouping into Canva is something that we use to make sure that, yeah, here we go, to make sure that we are not losing the content. I'll just show you once I am done doing this. Click on this one twice and write by, let's say, by Amit Das. I'm taking random examples, huh? Don't mind examples. So let's say writer. I'm talking about the designation of Amit Das. Let's say digital marketing professional, comma, writer. Writer at the name of the blog. Let's say the name of the blog is Digital Geeks. Writer at Digital Geeks. Makes sense, right? Makes sense, looks professional. Now just click outside of that entire canvas. And here you can write the name of the website. Remaining these things you can remove from now on. Write down the name of the website, whatever is your website. Kallada Academy we are talking about, we'll write kalladaacademy.com. In this Digital Geeks also we'll change it to Kallada Academy because we are actually talking about blog in Kallada Academy. Now here we will make it more dominating, right? That people can quickly check and visit the website. And we'll also change it here by just by 2 clicks, that is kalladaacademy.com. Writer at kalladaacademy.com. Cool, makes sense. Now again, see, two posters you created and both of the posters you can use. For an example, let's say someone would tell Soumendra, I have seen sometimes that brands use their colors. Brands use their colors in a way that whatever the brand logo is there, the entire poster is of that color. Then you are completely correct. So just click on this element, we can change the colors. How do you change? Click on this black color there and see, take the color that is your brand color, changed. Same you can do it with this red one. See, change the color to your brand color, but it would be a mismatch, by the way. So we'll try to keep something like gray. And then we'll just take out this transparent element and click on this red one again and keep it to something like black, or let's say dark black. So this one, yeah. Now I know the Kallada Academy text is gone, but don't worry, I will change the color of the Kallada Academy text and it will come back. See, I'll keep it to the brand color and it would look more professional. And I'll again bring in the highlights over here, right? And all of these things are same. For an example, some people will say, Soumendra, how to change this image? Just click on that image, delete that image, and come back to your uploads, because you have some images. Maybe if you don't have, you can just upload any image. For an example, someone was asking about copyright. How many of you are aware of Unsplash? Anyone who is aware of Unsplash? Unsplash.com. किसी को पता है Unsplash.com? Yeah, background pic में change करो युवराज, just a second. Yes, some people are aware of Unsplash. Can you use for any brand or social media post? Because copyright issues may occur while using someone's. No, you are not using someone's content. That's what I'm telling. It is completely free. That is, I'm telling Puneet. You are right, but you are not using this content. The content that you see here is free. But yeah, if it is a paid content, then it's a paid content. You are not thefting someone's content. You are just using a content that is in a stock available, right? So here, this is called Unsplash. Someone said we are aware of Unsplash. If you see Unsplash, no, exactly something Puneet was asking. Unsplash also let you download images for free. And again, Puneet, you don't get a copyright over here. So let's search for some images for, let's say, agency, because the image that we had over there was kind of an agency image, right? People talking and all of that. So let's find out something similar. Scroll down, देखो इस पे सेंस बनता है थोड़ा. It looks something relevant. It looks something relevant. Click on this one. Or let's say click on this one. Or even if you don't click, just do right click and copy this image and now delete the existing one. Control C, Control V. Make sure that's a free image available. You can find out a lot of free images here. You can just click on that image and see there's a download option. See, download for free. Click on that and there are 2-3 options to download. You people can use it. Now this image, I will just place it properly. See, how do I do it? First of all, I will take all of these elements and drop it. And here I will introduce this image. Oh, it seems to be like exactly the same color as Kallada Academy. That would be a problem now, but let me manage this. Wow. Just a second, guys. I am just managing this content. Yeah. These dots will keep over here. And this, we will just make sure that this is getting a different kind of a shade, or I'm making it transparent. Click on the image again, background image, and make it slightly transparent. No, transparent is not looking good. Let me change the shade of the image. Now to change the shade of the image, we'll just click on that image and edit the image to something having something different kind of a texture. Okay, now it looks quite branded with Kallada Academy stuff. Let's increase it a little bit. And let's scroll down. And here I'll decrease the transparency of this dots. Okay, now have a look at it. One, two you created. How much time did it take? Nothing much, right? Let's create another one for practice. Now again, we are maybe creating it for Facebook, or we are maybe creating it for IG. For an example, if someone is telling Soumendra, IG ka resolution different hoga, you are absolutely correct. So you have to write Instagram posts, because the resolution of IG is different. By the way, you can do custom resolutions with Canva. I'm not getting into that advanced right now, because for some people it may be troublesome. So for an example, if you want to create something for IG, let's take one example of IG also. So let's say you are willing to create a post for IG, and that's about a makeup industry, for an example. Or if not makeup, then that is something about Happy Diwali. Let's say, let's click on this one. See, how do I create it? It's a sample for Instagram that I'm going to use, and I'll edit it throughout, nothing else. By the way, you people can also create designs from scratch. That's not a problem. If you want to create designs from scratch, you can create, but I am just showing it the easiest way that you remember. If you join Kallada Academy and attend the classes, no, we show you the ways wherein you can create designs from scratch also. Now click on ungroup. So let's say we will type something. Again, we will do it with the Kallada Academy logo and branding. Just again, as a sample, we will do. So here we will take the logo again, and we'll place it at the top rightly. Make sure the logo is fairly visible, and we'll change this color to the branded color of our logo. Cool. And here we will write wishing or wishes you happy Diwali. Now, you people would say, Somen, when it comes to Happy Diwali, make sure you are using a diya. And I absolutely agree with you people. Just a second, I'll just do it. So here, and I'll write big here, Happy or Diwali, whatever is suitable to you people. I mean, to you as a social media marketer, you can do. Looks cool. Now, here, may this be a reminder. Okay. So we'll write something good here. May this day May this Diwali brings you all the joy and not prosperity. Let's say this Diwali brings you all the joy and energy to fight the and prosper in your life. For an example, let's say life. Shall we write? We shall write prosper. We shall write life. Yeah, makes sense. We'll increase the size a little bit. This content has to be, so may this Diwali brings you all the joy and energy to fight the evils and prosper in your life. So happy Diwali. This is there. Now I'll try to highlight this like a Diwali thing. We'll try to keep it to something very highlighting like orange. Okay. Yes. Looking good. This one also will try to keep it to orange. Looking good. These two also will try to keep it to orange. The dividers. See, I'm doing nothing rocket science. Okay, it's super easy. I can do rocket science over here also, by the way. In Canva, I can create a lot of different things from scratch, but that's not necessary. That's a matter of a choice. Not by chance you have to do it. You can do it by choice. So now, once we create it, we will make sure that this content, we are maybe keeping it to yellow or something. Yellow. Yes. But it is, yeah, let's do it this way. Let's increase this element a little bit. So now I will increase this element a little bit more. Okay, no, not looking good really. Previously it was looking good. So I have to change this color. Yeah, this is a suitable color because it's actually getting highlighted rather making it Not looking good. Yeah, and this is done. And now I told you that I can include a diya also. How can I do it? So to do it, let's say I'll include the diya over here. So I'll take it to this edge and I will just download an image of a diya. Where is Unsplash? Yeah, here. So just write Diwali. Any image that is relevant for Diwali. You can have a diya, you can have something else. So I'll just try to keep it as clean as possible. So let's say this is going to be the image, or let's say, let's try something. Let's say this is going to be the image. Yeah, let's click on this. And you can just copy this image and you can drop it over here. Wait for a few sec. Yeah, see, it has appeared. Now, see how I will fit it in. I'll click on this and I'll increase this over here. I will set it at this bar, and this one I'll just decrease in size to fit into this rectangular or fit into this cubicle, and I can zoom in while I work. Yes. And yes. All right. Now this one, I'll just change the color to this black color that is already there in this image. So that would be super suitable. Yeah, now see, it looks professional. It looks good. In case you want to decrease this thing and keep it till this much only, or even if you want to increase this, that works well. Let's say we'll keep it to this much. That works well. And you got another creative that talks about happy Diwali, and that looks good in terms of working. Any questions on this, guys? I really want to ask you people. Have you people any question? Wow, so many people are there. Unsplash for content. Okay, some images. Right. Correct. Correct, Madhusudhan. Yuvraj, is there any option to type text in different languages? No. So here it's not there actually. With the premium you can try out one. So there are different fonts, my friend. यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे युवराज, तो यहाँ पे देखो बहुत सारे fonts हैं. So let's say I want to change this font. I'll just change this font. See, I'll just do a click and I'll change this font, right? But language is so far is not there. It's on predominantly on English right now. I can see with the premium if they have a switch for that. Yeah, any more questions, my friends? Yes sir, yes sir. Can we use it for, okay, I just answered you. Any technical question, please go ahead. Any more question? Everyone is super understood it at its best. You can do many more amazing things. For an example, let's try doing one thing. इसको ना पूरा देखो चेंज कर देंगे. इसको हटाओ. I mean, remove this from here and see this image. I'll just keep it in a way that it look good. Just a second. Allow me a second. I'll just show you. Canva is amazing, man. Most of my work, I mean, a lot of my work, I get it done with Canva. Let's delete some unnecessary elements that we don't need right now. I know the canvas is right now looking very scattered. Don't worry, it won't be at the end of the design. Okay, now I'll change this alignment itself. I'll remove this content because I don't need it. Yes. I'll keep this to the color of the image again and increase the size of this one. Keep this element a little up. And turn off the caps lock. Here you can turn off the caps lock. See, the caps lock is off now. I'll take this element to here because I need this element for the design. I'll change the color of the element again. In case you want to zoom the screen, you can always zoom. Remember, I have already told you this. Don't think that you cannot see things closely over here in Canva. It's very much possible to see things closely in Canva. If you are asking me, Soumen, why to see things closely, when you design, it's important. Now, I'll even increase it further. Okay. Set every edge properly. That is, it is not like looks like diluted and all. Cool. Now there is another form of content. I'll again change the alignment of this content. We'll set it properly like this. Okay, it looks so clumsy maybe over here. So do one thing. Second. Decrease the size. All right. Keep it here. Increase the size a little bit. Now put the content like this. Decrease it a little bit. Okay, now here I will again increase the size of Kallada Academy because now we have enough space for this. And see, with that said, what I will do is this primary Happy Diwali thing, I'll change it to brand color. Okay, now see, it looks better than the previous one, right? So there are different ways of doing it. There are different ways of using Canva. For an example, this is a kind of element. Now let's say this one, you want to decrease the transparency of this. See, that also you can do. How many of you people liked it? How many of you people did not understand? You can even use different images, guys. Not necessarily, this can go IG, these can go Facebook, okay, these can go your blog. So such a easy way to create. How could be premium cost? It's $15, $12 to $15 right now. Sir, what are you teaching right now? It's Canva. What is ungroup? Yeah, ungroup is something. For an example, you are using multiple elements, right? So once you use multiple elements, no, you can actually drag and drop each element. But for an example, you are not willing to drag and drop each element. What you will do is you will just select multiple elements and you will just group those elements. Kya hoga isse? Now you can't do anything. See, I can drag the entire stuff, but I can't drag one stuff itself, one element itself. That is grouping and that is ungrouping, my friend. Understand, need to practice. Absolutely correct. It is good, make new design, new page. Instead of adding new page, is it good to make a new design on a new page or current one? No, it depends on your pixel requirement, Shalini. It depends on your pixel requirement. For an example, the size of this image, no, is an Instagram size. Okay, the size of these images, no, is a Facebook size or a thumbnail size. So if you are willing to have more Facebook sizes, just do plus 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 and keep designing by going to templates. If you're willing to have more IG sizes, do plus 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 and keep on working on the templates. Isko hata do yahan se, just delete this entire thing and keep on adding new templates. So it depends on you. If you need some more designs, just write it down. I will show the download right now. Thank you, Shalini. Okay, now I will show the download right now. Then I will talk about our course that we have for you people. If you people want to learn digital marketing in future, just a second. See, I will download this image or any image. Huh? How do we download? Click on download. So many people may think that download is not free, but wait a second, my friend, download is free. It's full free. You don't have to pay anything again, unless you are using premium elements. Click on download. Bus download this image. In Canva only, we have 1 or 2 days of session. Okay, so you people can, if you join the sessions, you will get to see you have only on Canva and PictoChart and Pixels, we have multiple sessions, or somewhere around 3 hours of sessions we have. See, The image is downloaded, looking cool, right? Looking good to go to IG. Do you people like this image? I mean, don't judge it to a very extreme point of view. Then you can see my blog post, because there I put a lot of efforts. Now here you need to see that how much effort you are putting. To create these quality images, you need to put more effort. These quality images, you need to put more effort. These quality, more effort. This quality, more effort. But the kind of quality that you came up with such a small effort, such a short time of effort, that is what is important, right? If you put more efforts, you come up with better qualities. Any cues, my friends? Other than Unsplasher, is there any professional logo create? Yes. So with Canva itself, you can create logo, my friend Yogesh, but you have to make sure that for to learn that, we show logo creation with Canva in our sessions, Kallada Academy sessions. If you see my brand logo, that is inside this one, inside Kaza, or even my personal website logo, I'll just write my name so it will come up. So if you see that, all of these logo, my friend, I have created with Canva. Have a look. Some logo are monochromatic. Okay. Some logo are text logo. Some are icon based logo. These standards, or even slightly better standards of logo, you can create. Yuvraj, I'm talking to. Other than Unsplash, there is pixels.com. There is pixabay.com. Okay, pixels.com, pixabay.com. There is shutterstock.com. लेकिन shutterstock free नहीं है, paid है. Okay, these are the ones you can use. Madhusudhan sir, is there any? Okay, what are the tools available to get more images designs? Okay, the tools names are, okay, you only I replied, I think, Madhusudhan. Okay, how to use, I just show how to use watermark from, how to use, not how to remove watermark. So to remove watermark, Yuvraj, you should not be using these paid ones. Isko use mat karo. Use the free ones. Okay, watermark will not be there. See, in front of the screen right now, I don't have a watermark. I'm not making up anything. See, it's not having watermark. So it's the real thing. Free pick, thanks a lot, Himani. It's free pick is there. Like in free pick is more into illustrations, but that's correct. I 100% take it. It's free pick. Then it has got icons8.com, icons8. Then you also have got PictoChart. बहुत सारे I can just go on. Okay guys, now thanks a lot for listening. So now what we have is, to let you people learn all of these things at its best, no, we have created a course. Okay, and the name of that course is ADMC. I have just stopped sharing my screens. Just allow me a minute. I'm just opening my PPT about our course. I hope you people don't mind. We have created a course, and that course talks about ADMC. ADMC is something like Advanced Digital Marketing Certification or course. Now, ADMC is such a quality of course that can teach you graphic designing, then talking about Canva, talking about pixels, talking about let's say you are willing to work on elements like SEO, you are willing to work on things like uh, Google ads, you're willing to work on content writing. All of these fundamentals, like A to Z, you can technically work on A to Z. Okay, you will not have any hiccups if you take up that course. I would like to explain you people what is that course about, and I'd like to tell you people the bang on offer that we have right now going on. If you are through webinar, this thing, that is a masterclass going on. If you are not through the masterclass, then you don't get that offer. My screen is stopped right now. You people have to wait for a minute. I'm just finding out one of my contents to show you people. Okay, if you don't go through the masterclass, then you don't get to find it out. Okay, don't get to get that specific offer. But obviously, if you go through the masterclass, you get to have that offer. I request you people just wait for a minute and let me tell about that. Just a second. I'll just open one of my contents that I have to show you people. Yeah, here we go. I will reshare my screen now. I really request you people, even if you do not like want to tune into the session, to the course further, you can still listen to it. Okay, if you are completely not interested, then you can obviously sign out. But if you are somewhere interested, you can still be connected with us. Allow me a second. And 1, 2, 3. I will share my screen now. Yeah, here we go. So now if you see here guys, we have a course called ADMC, that is Advanced Digital Marketing Training or Advanced Digital Marketing Certification. In this course, what you get to see is this course is all about advanced level of training into digital marketing. And I am going to tell you what are the benefits of this course. But again, as you people are there since a very long time, and you people even supported me when there was a technical glitch from Demio's end, I want to tell you people few ideas about digital marketing before we get into the pitch of the course. Okay, the idea of the course. Now, many people I want to know, they want to ask how to learn digital marketing. Now, you people can obviously join an institute like Kallada Academy, or you can even learn by yourself. Okay, and it's not only about digital marketing, it's about any courses. You can learn by yourself also. You can join Kallada Academy also. It's absolutely your take. Now, here, how to start a career in digital marketing. So let's say you want to start a career in digital marketing, then always remember you have to spend somewhere around 4 months, 3 to 4 months, and obviously 10 to 11 hours of recommended time to practice. So even if you people are learning by yourself, make sure that you are spending this amount of time to practice. Now, do not do practices with theories. It doesn't work. You have to make sure that you are being very practical. Okay, you are being very practical, you are learning by doing. If you are not learning by doing, then it's a problem. That's not digital marketing or data science. Then that is like you just know about digital marketing, you just know about data science, you just know about SEO, you just know about WordPress. आपको पता है कि क्या होता है WordPress, but you don't know how to work with WP, you don't know how to work with SEO. So don't just talk about it. Learn things like you just before few seconds, you are just having seen some hands on, and you could come up with some designs, be it 7 out of 10, be it 10 out of 10, be it 3 out of 10, but you still could come out of the design. That is what is the point out here. Okay. Right after that, with our ADMC, what we do is we make sure that you are having assignments. Okay, we are delivering a practical course, completely practical course, which is driven by assignments, which is driven by projects. And believe it, all of these topics like WordPress, SEO, Facebook ads, Google ads, email marketing are driven by completely practical learning. Okay, as well as driven by completely the way of doing it through assignments. For an example, if you want to hear out about the students that are already there, or we call them trainees, okay, or practitioners, rather students, you can see the review of Kallada Academy. Okay, how has been the review? Oh, it's not Google, it seems. One second. Go Google. You can just go to google.com and you can type Kallada Academy and you can see our reviews, what people are talking about Kallada Academy. This is one arena of finding out the right reviews of Kallada Academy. So let's click on, not write a review. You can also give a review if you like this session, or you can just click on, see, we have around 2,600 plus reviews, by the way. So you can see what people are talking. So there are many positive reviews that we have. Obviously there can be one or two negative reviews, and to tell you, most of those negative reviews have come out of misconception. But obviously you people are free to judge, you people are free to go ahead and read the reviews. There is no harm to that. You people can check out the reviews. This is Google reviews. Also you can go to quora.com, or you just write, is Kallada Academy good, or something, that kind of. The best, the first answer that you will get, not on Bing, you can also get it on Bing, I think. Quora, yeah, it's coming. So the answer that you will get is on YouTube and quora.com. See, you can read these answers also to find out if we are doing a good work or not. Then you have to learn practically. That's what I wanted to say. Now, how should you learn digital marketing? Now, first, you have to make sure that you are willing to get into the technical side of things. Second, you have to make sure you're willing to speak and write English a little bit better. I'm not asking you to become the Shakespeare. You have to become a person who can just communicate properly. So don't give excuses. You can even get into IELTS classes if you are not super sure about your communication skills and English spoken skills. And here, if you see, every day. If you can at least practice writing 500 words, okay, then it helps extremely well. Even if you start watching things like movies and web series that are in English with the subtitle, it helps, my friend, a lot better. Now, important topics you should always cover if you are self learning, that is web designing, WordPress. With WordPress you can learn elementary. If you are no code learning, if you are learning for no code website, then search engine optimization, big time. Lead generation, big time. A lot of jobs are there for lead. Email marketing, a lot of jobs. Web designing, a lot of jobs. Search engine optimization, lot of jobs. All of these things you make sure that you are learning. If you are learning by yourself, if you are learning by watching YouTube videos, if you are learning by watching some YouTube videos, some good people in YouTube or something, make sure you are learning all of these things. Okay, how much salary can you expect? Now, even if you are learning from YouTube or something, make sure that you are learning properly. And even after that, or even from very good institutions also, you don't get somewhere more than 25K when you are starting. If you have experience, then you can get 80,000, 90,000. Even that better salary you get, 70,000, 60,000 you can get. Anything you can get, which is even in lakhs you can get, depending on your job profile. But if you are just doing it for starting, you don't get more than 25. Somewhere you start with 13K, and it's the real truth. So I do not want you people to sugarcoat something. This is the fact, and it is in every industry, not only with digital. Until and unless you are coming out from a business school, you are coming out from a good engineering or a medical college, you don't straight up get these salaries. To get these salaries, there is a journey, obviously. Okay, that is what you should remember. So don't feel sad if you have an experience of, let's say, 5 years or something, or 3 years or something. You can earn a lot more. Okay, it slowly improves your skill now, and your knowledge also. Digital marketing career option: if you are self learning, make sure you can become a SEO manager, you can become a PPC manager, content writer. Blogging, you can do blogging, vlogging. We have our sessions for blogging, vlogging. Social media you can learn, web designing you can learn, landing page builder you can become. These are the options you have. Now, many people ask this question to us, that is, are certificates important? Now the answer is no, certificates are not important. You people might be thinking he is joking or he is dumb, he doesn't know. Now the point is, certificates are not important because there are many free certificates. Okay, and believe me or not guys, the answer keys, you just search Google कि कोई भी एक एग्जाम का आंसर की लिखो, एग्जाम मतलब ऐसे सर्टिफिकेट्स का, देखो उसका आंसर की ना मिल जाएगा आपको. You will get to find the answers of those certificates. So there is no point of only doing certificates. Only doing certificates. If you are learning with that, beautiful. It's amazing. The learning is what stays. Certificates are there obviously for validation. Now, what is the ROI of digital marketing? For an example, our course that we have now, we somewhere deliver our course at a budget of somewhere 30,000. Okay, 30 to 34,000 at a budget we deliver our course. Okay, even if you are expenses are around 40,000, 30,000 to 40,000, even if your job is paying you 15,000 per month. Okay, even if you are not taking our courses, let's say you are doing YouTube videos itself, or that is a zero cost, that's beautiful, only your internet bill. Okay, but you don't get a mentor and all, by the way, but that's okay, it's your take, it's your choice. In that case, per month, even if you make 15K, you can still end up earning 60,000, right? And your ROI is double. It's like 157% ROI. Now, no business usually will give you that much of ROI, right? That is the thing. Now, getting digital marketing projects. Now, how to get digital marketing project if you are even self-learning or learning from Kallada Academy? FNF works. FNF means friends and families. Okay, offer people that you can create websites for them. Tell them that you will do it for free. Don't work like forever for free. Just work for a week, maybe work for 3 days, maybe just work for a small website, because you can actually build that website. It's nothing headache for you. You are practicing right now. You need a portfolio, right? Ask them and gather projects from your friends and family, or pitch businesses. By the way, if you join our courses, we show you how to pitch businesses, we show you how to mail businesses. Now, yeah, getting jobs after digital marketing. Now, have a live project with you. With Kallada Academy, you do several projects with your business itself, by the way, not like we are getting you done some projects. We don't run an agency. We don't like ask you to work for free, not at all. So that kind of policies we don't follow. Your priority should not be your salary. Your priority should always be learning and real experience starting, not after 1 or 2 years of experience, then also, but starting you should always focus on the learning side of it. Few recommendations: don't opt only for work from home jobs. If you are a freshers, don't try to look jobs only in your location. Don't make salary a priority in first 3 months. Dekho, if you are only looking forward to work from home jobs, then you may miss some good companies. I'm not telling it is evident, but you may miss, because whenever it's a fresher, no, they want people to come to the office and work. Don't hesitate. If you do have that attitude, it can be very problematic for you in near future, given that you are not a freelancer. If you are a freelancer, then amazing. We have 2 days of a course only for freelancing, by the way. Getting jobs action steps, yeah, this is what we talked also. Okay, now coming down to a question, that how many of you people want personal assistance in implementing the strategies? Can you people tell me how many of you want an assistant with you? Okay, yeah, ROI is return on investment. I absolutely agree with you, Aditya. Anyone who wants a personal assistant, how many of you people would like to have a mentor? Now, for an example, I know most of you people would like to have a mentor. Maybe if you are not doing self learning, देखो, self learning pe you only have yourself. You can't talk to trainers and consultants who are out there in the industry. For an example, you are looking forward to a mentor, okay, and while you look forward to a mentor, that mentor helps you to answer your all questions. Now here, ADMC brings you that value, that is Advanced Digital Marketing Certification Program by Kallada Academy. With ADMC, if you complete this course, after this course, you can create beautiful websites without coding experience. You can rank your website on the first page of Google, create profitable campaigns with ads, get your first digital marketing job, get more customers for your business with lead generation, right? Let's see what else is there with ADMC. Now, what are the things you will get rid of? You will not having a you will be not having a fear of technical knowledge. You will not have a fear of fighting with the big players, because you will be understanding several campaigns properly. You will not have the fear to be able to launch a good campaign. You will be realizing campaigns, you will be understanding the technical side of it and launch things properly. What we don't do at Kallada Academy now, we don't charge heavy fees like other institutes. There are a lot of institutes who charges lakhs of rupees, 80,000 and all, for the same quality course, or even not that quality of course. You can do that check. I'm not going to name here, but I hope you people know. Okay, we don't have any academy doesn't teach basics on the name of advance. So we don't teach basics on the name of advance. We do not give fake promises of placements, as I told you in the beginning itself. We don't teach 200 people in one batch. Obviously we don't do that, because that is a problem for students. We hardly have 30 people. Kallada Academy doesn't charge anything extra after joining. Yeah, there is no hidden fees, by the way. There is no hidden fees. There is no hidden fees. So feel chill about it. You may have to only pay off your hosting and domain charges, and that you are not paying to us. You are paying to yourself. The trainer will let you know once you tune in. How much time and money will ADMC cost? Now, for an example, let's see the breakdown of ADMC. Okay. So to do ADMC, you don't have to take hundreds of digital marketing courses. You don't have to spend 10 lakhs or even 1 CR on brand strategies and marketing strategies to learn ADMC or digital marketing. Now, with this course modules, we have got business idea validation, website planning, search engine optimization, paid ads, social media, Facebook ads, freelancing, and 40 plus more courses covered, only at a very minimal price that I'm going to tell you. Moving on, who all can take up this course? Students can take up this course who want to land up with a job. Working professionals can take up who are looking forward to upskill. Business owners who are looking forward to customers, they can also look up to such kind of a course. Now, if you want to have a breakdown, then let's take an example. Our course is somewhere around 30,000. Okay. This is the somewhere around an estimate cost. It is a true cost. Somewhere around 30,000 is the cost, and you don't pay this cost at straight. Okay. You can pay it on installment, and you can just book your sit with 999. But that I'll come at later stage. I will try to tell you quite a few stuff. Now,
With that amount of money, that is 30K, you can get individual attention. Okay. And individual attention means we do one-on-one sessions with the trainer. So let's say you have hiccups with your course, you can do one-on-one session as many as you want, and believe me, it's a lifetime stuff. You are doing it for lifetime, you never are expiring with this. Okay. So after completion of the course also, you can connect with us, and trainers who are available, they will assist you. That one stuff itself, that is a lifetime connection with the trainers, is cost worth of 25,000. So 30,000 plus 25,000 is somewhere around 55,000, right? You are not paying 55,000. Let's see the next slab. Now the next thing is, do you want to have ready-made templates, and that too on a paid mode? That also we have. We give you somewhere worth 20,000 rupees of Elementor plus DV builders package, and everyone gets that. These are pro versions, you don't have to pay for it, and that makes it 75,000 rupees worth of a course. Now lifetime access to learning material from industry experts. Again, you don't watch YouTube in this case, you watch to content that are from industry experts, someone randomly not coming on YouTube and talking about things. You are looking forward to industry experts. By the way, even on YouTube there are very few people who are qualitative, so you can check that. But here you can find out the industry experts, and that itself cost that entire stuff of content 25K, that too on a monthly recurring basis. But anyway, we don't charge that, but still it makes the course 1 lakh rupees worth. Let's go forward. We give you link shortener tools that worth of again 25,000. It makes it 1 lakh 20,000. We give you free keyword competitor tool. Free in the sense that's a paid tool, but we buy it for you. We have actually developed a tool, so you get that tool from us, and that itself is worth of 25K. So it makes it 1 lakh and 50,000 worth. But again, we are not charging you that much. Want access to suppliers list by Kallada Academy? That too we offer you at a free cost. But again, that costs us 25,000 somewhere, but that is again free. Want access to a swipe file of Facebook ads wherein you get all the info about things? Again, that again costly around 25,000, but we give it to you for free. And again, that makes this course 2 lakhs rupees worth, but again, you are not paying it. And see, on the cherry on the top is you get the top university certification, which you don't get when you do free courses, which you don't get when you do self learning. So that can be some value of you, and that certification is, guess what, from the university called Jain University, and that itself make this course worth 2,50,000. And here is the certificate of Jain University. If you want to see, have a look at it. This is the certificate that you get, JUX Jain University. I don't know how many of you people know Jain University. It's a very popular university. Here is their presence. They are extremely popular, by the way. You can check that. We are there with them, so you can have this benefit when you are with Kallada Academy, right? Now the question that comes, that is a total value of 2,50,000. How much do you pay for it? Now we have a charge of somewhere around 31,860 rupees. That includes a 5,000 cash back. Okay, so leave 2,50,000. This is a special offer price, and guess what, this offer price is only available if you book the course within 1 hour from now. Okay, or not even 1 hour, I'll keep it to 30 minutes. So let's say it's 47, you can book this course till 9:15. How do you have to book this course? You can book this course with a link that I will shoot it to you right now, and that link will make you enable pay 999 rupees, that is 999. That is obviously getting deducted from this amount, and you are getting 5,000 cash back, even that is on completion of your assignments. By the way, if you don't do assignments, you don't get the cash back, so don't expect that. If you only do assignment, our team will reach out to you, have your bank details further, and they will pay you further. One more thing, all of these price, no, you don't have to pay at one shot. Okay, you can pay on an installment basis as well. You can even pay on an installment basis, and this offer of 30 minutes is a VIP offer that you can enable this course at this price, right? So I will shoot the link right now by turning off my screen, and anyone or all of you people who are interested to take up the course, you people can technically click on that link and tune into our course, and our team will get back to you by telling you that how you can do the documentations further. I have just launched the link over here. Anyone who is interested, just click on book your seats just at 999. Okay, wow, great, a lot of people are clicking. Thank you everyone. Just at 999. Wow, thank you, thank you. So far it's like 17%. That's great. Okay, book your seat at 9. You don't at one. Yeah, any questions do you people have? Please go ahead, I'll take up those questions. Any question related to the course, if you people have, please feel free to shoot. In the meantime, I will also drop our brochure, and I'll also drop our what if I can't afford. You can afford, for an example, can't you afford 999, Harshit? If you can tell me. For an example, you don't have to pay 30,000 one shot. Yeah, you can. I know you have written it also. Yes, I can. So you can book your seat. Once you book your seat, then you can go ahead and pay monthly basis. Banks are there with us who connects with you, and you can pay on monthly basis. Now, if you even cannot afford that, then it's no problem. Maybe later you can afford, you can come to us. Maybe you want to do self learning, you are very welcome. I wish you all the best, you can do that. It is nothing like forcing you to buy a course. It is that we have developed something. Anyone wants to do this, anyone is willing to see themselves as a digital marketer in future, they can buy this course. If they buy this course, it's going to be beneficial. Are we forcing people to do this? Not at all. Are we telling you or pushing you to do this? Not at all. It's not possible. It's something very wrong. We are not doing all of that. Just telling you there is an offer available. If you are enabled to do that, please go ahead. Okay, I will just drop a link of our brochure, and you people can go through that. I'll also drop the WhatsApp number. You people can go through that. Just allow me a minute, guys. And yeah, any question related to the course, you people can please shoot that to me. I will be happy to answer. कोई भी question है आप लोग पूछ सकते हो. किसी को अगर हिंदी में कोर्स करना है, मतलब सेशंस नहीं लेकिन डाउट क्लियरिंग हिंदी में होगा, सो आई विल बी देयर और अनदर ट्रेनर हु इज देयर, वी बोथ आर हिंदी स्पीकिंग पीपल. डाउट क्लियरिंग अगर आप कर रहे हो तो हिंदी में भी आप कर सकते हो. बाय द वे, आई एम टॉकिंग टू स्पेसिफिकली हिंदी स्पीकिंग पीपल. तो ये उस पे टेंशन मत लेना, आप हिंदी पे भी कर सकते हो बाय द वे. लेकिन डाउट क्लियरिंग, हाँ, क्योंकि सेशन में बहुत लोग ऐसे होंगे जिनको हिंदी नहीं आती है, तो उनके साथ अभी इंग्लिश में ही बात करना पड़ेगा कंटिन्यूअसली. सो दैट्स द कोर्स इज इन इंग्लिश, बट इवन यू कैन हैव डाउट क्लियरिंग ऑन हिंदी. ओके, great, great, great. I see several people tuning into the link. Thank you. If you anyone is booking the course, please let me know right now, so I can let my team aware of it, although they will get a straight notification, by the way. Any questions, guys? I will give you people some time. You people can just tell me the questions if you have. And let me tell you, this is an offer which is like a VIP offer, so you don't get this offer straight on a daily basis. Have already enrolled 2 days back. Thank you, Himani. You are very welcome, Himani. Himani says, I have enrolled 2 days back. That's amazing. I think if you have enrolled, then you had your orientation session today. I think you have seen me today also. Thanks for enrolling. I hope you people will enjoy the session from tomorrow. So these people who have enrolled, they are going to start their session tomorrow actually. कल से इनका सेशन स्टार्ट. हाँ हाँ हिमानी, राइट, कल से सेशन स्टार्ट होने वाला है. बाय द वे, कल अगर आपका मेरे साथ सेशन है, सो दैट्स अमेजिंग, देन वी विल सी. Anyone else who would like to have some questions, please feel free to shoot that question. I'm here available. Be it a technical question you can shoot, be it a course related question you can shoot, be it any kind of a digital marketing question you can shoot. I mean, questions that are related to the topic, not like off topic. Yeah, thank you, Himani, thank you. Okay, I see people booking it. Thank you, people. I'll shoot the link in the chat also if a few people this pop-up is not coming, maybe because I know some people are on their phone. So I have shooted this link in the chat, so you people can just click on this link and enroll yourself if you look forward to. And this is our WhatsApp number. Anyone is there, feel comfortable to reach out to this WhatsApp number. You have any questions and all. This is the WhatsApp number I have dropped. This is the link and this is the WhatsApp number. You people can just click on this link, book your course that starts from tomorrow, and you can just start the course. Any other questions, guys? I'll just entertain one more minute, then I will wind up the session. Any questions do you people have? I see still there are how many? 30 plus people connected. Thanks a lot, everyone, for staying tuned. Again, I hope it was fruitful. That's why we arranged it. We will again do it next Friday. But again, if you are coming to next Friday, you are delaying your batch. But again, you can only enable this price when you come through webinars, when you come through master sessions. Otherwise, this price won't be available. So make sure you are booking straight away and not going to do it tomorrow. It's only 30 minutes. You still have time till 9:15. So you can book within 9:15, given that you are interested. You can book within 9:15. Okay, so I think no more questions are there. Thanks a lot, everyone, for being so connected on the chat room and continuously dropping chats about whatever I was requesting you people for. Thank you for being such a great audience. And yeah, don't miss to tune into our other masterclass sessions. And also, you people can follow our YouTube channel. You people can follow my LinkedIn also. If you have some industry related questions, you people can shoot. We work on e-commerce, so we also train you on e-commerce. So all of these answers we can tell you. Thank you, everyone. Have a great evening, guys. I'll be signing off for now. See you people if you are tuning into the sessions of Kallada Academy. Thank you, everyone. Signing off.